Cancer, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong July 22 to 28, 2024. So, if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang yung information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay. Let's see, Cancer. What's up ngayong week na ito? Overall energy. The Four of Cups. Oy. Meron dito hindi masaya, hindi kontento. Pwede rin namang merong offer sa'yo na hindi mo pinapansin. Or feeling mo it's not good enough. Let's see your challenge. Eight of Swords. Nako. May overthinking. Some of you para, siguro hindi kayo, yung iba lang ha, hindi kayo masaya sa situation nyo ngayon. This can be a relationship or business, career. Parang feeling mo may mga limitations, hindi ka makapag-decide, hindi ka makadiskarte. Oo. What is your opportunity? You have the Death card. So as an opportunity, this is transformation, major change, endings, and new beginnings. So, syempre, choice mo pa rin yan. If you want to leave a situation that is limiting you, no? Nalilimitahan ka ng sitwasyon na to. For example, yung person mo na sobrang seloso, selosa, hindi ka na makakilos dahil every time nagagalaw ka, naghihinala na may gagawin kang kalokohan. Or alam mo yun, minsan may mga ganong tao na masyadong possessive over their person. So, yung iba sa inyo feeling na, kahit na mahal mo, parang you're still thinking, ano ba to? Is this worth it? Kasi dapat you're supposed to be happy, no? Dapat masaya ka. Kasi you have someone na you are in a relationship, 'di ba? But parang hindi, 'di ba? Yung iba naman, can be sa trabaho nyo, na pwedeng meron ka mga gustong i-pursue, hindi mo magawa kasi nga may commitment ka. Oo, ganun talaga, lalo na if you are an employee working for a company, meron silang rules, meron silang policies na hindi ka pwedeng a-absent na lang basta, kailangan magpa-file ka ng leave, pero dapat in advance, 'di ba? Tapos pag panay ka naman ng absent, malaking possibility na matanggal ka, 'di ba? So, it's time for you to make that change kasi may opportunity sa'yo na umalis sa ganyang situation. What is your blessing? Oh, Queen of Swords. Yung blessing mo, meron kang lakas ng loob na i-cut off yung tao, situation, bagay sa buhay mo na naglilimita sa'yo. I feel like you want to free yourself from that limitation. So, money, career, finances. You have the Four of Wands. You have the Two of Wands. Yes, gusto mo kasi, financially independent. Mo. You have the Nine of Pentacles. This is someone na can take care of herself or himself. Yung iba sa inyo, kung kayo may work, maaring you will consider working from home, no? And be more creative. Tapos yung creativity ninyo will bring money, no? Magdadala yan ng kaperahan sa inyo. Let's say, magaling kang gumawa ng bag. Yun yung passion mo. Or, magaling kang manahi. So, pwede mo yung gawin sa bahay, tapos ibebenta mo online, mga gano'n. Oh, outlier talaga, oh. You are, sabi nito, you are about to change how the games are played. You are unstoppable in creating your own opportunities which others don't see. So, ikaw mismo ang gagawa ng sarili mong opportunity. May determinasyon ka na gawin yan to make things happen for yourself. Ang importante lang dito, consistent ka. Sa lahat ng bagay, importante that you are consistent para meron kang makitang resulta. Okay? Example, pag-gym. Kung gusto mo talagang maging fit, healthy, pumayat, mag-gain ng weight, or kung ano man yung resulta na gusto mo dahil mag-gym ka, makukuha mo yan kung consistent ka, that you will always show up para mag-train, para mag-workout, you know? But this can apply to any type of goal na meron ka sa buhay. You need to show up. Mm-mm. Let's see your love life. You have the Chariot, the Page of Cups, and the Knight of Pentacles. Okay. So, meron dito, if you are, if there is someone in your life na parang napapakaramdaman mo, may gusto sa'yo, pero wala siyang ginagawang action, I think this time, mag-express na siya ng feelings niya towards you. Mm-mm. Maglalakas loob na siya. At ngayon, ano yung reaction mo doon? Gusto mo ba? Kasi pwedeng may taong nararamdaman ka na may gusto sa'yo pero ayaw mo naman sa kanya, di ba? Oo. Let's see. Patience. Patience. Honeymoon. Uy. Aha. So, maaaring gusto mo. Mm-mm. Hinihintay mo lang talaga siya na siya yung mag-reach out, siya yung mag-express. Oo. Some of you magkakaroon ng travel opportunities with this person. You will get to know each other better. Yung iba kasi sa inyo matagal na kayong magkakilala, kaya lang pareho kayong walang lakas ng loob na i-pursue yung relationship dahil maaring, alam mo na, iniisip niyo yung friendship niyo, sayang. Mahirap rin kasi yun, no? Kapag magkaibigan kayo and then eventually magiging lovers, you know, being in a relationship can be very messy na after nun, pwedeng it can make or break your friendship. You have Moon in Leo in the 5th house. Sun in Aquarius. So, appreciation. So, yung iba sa inyo, may marireceive na bulaklak or parang favor from someone na ina-admire ka. Na-appreciate ka ng person na to. You have the Sun in Aquarius in the 11th house. Meron kang certain level of fame, Cancer, na maraming, na nagiging interesado sa'yo. Someone who is crushing on you. Hindi lang isa, dalawa, mas marami. You are gaining so much attention. You have Jupiter in Scorpio in the 8th house. So, 8th house is about other people's money. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo, may swerte na darating pagdating sa investment ninyo. Oo. Stock market, crypto, or any investment na papasukin mo. Some of you naman, if you are sexually active, so mas marami kayong sexual adventures this time. So, you have Mercury in Cancer in the 4th house, intuition. So, you are going to be more sensitive sa needs ng family mo or someone na mahal mo sa buhay. Yung tipong alam mo agad kung ano yung kailangan nila, ano yung problema nila, may pinagdadaanan ba sila. And also, itong anchor, kumbaga alam mo kung which direction you want to go. Importante kasi rito na alam mo yung direction eh. Kasi mas magiging confident ka na pumunta doon. Di ba? Example, pagta-travel, no? Dati, nung wala pang mga GPS, no? Ano talaga, mapa yung dala-dala pag nagta-travel. But now, if you really, kung alam mo kung saan ka gustong pumunta, type in mo lang, itong lugar na to. Tapos, you will have that confidence kasi alam mo where to go. Meron ka ma-overcome na challenge. Yes. This is also good luck para sa inyo. Merong iba sa inyo, merong posisyon. Like, pwedeng leadership role na matatanggap, makukuha. Oo. Pwedeng may promotion. You will also reassess your situation, whether you're happy in your career, on your relationship, because you have the right to change your mind. Pwede namang magbago yung isip mo. Rituals. Steady yourself with simple rituals. Do the dishes, fold laundry, water the plants, make a cup of tea. Let wisdom sneak up on you. Yes. I-enjoy mo yung mga mundane things, yung mga task, yung mga chores mo sa bahay para mas madali mo siyang ma-accomplish. Oh, 'di ba? So that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.